Well, hello and welcome. In this video, I'm just going to show you very quickly how easy it is to leverage Zoho CRM workflow automation tools to create automated messages using Logix One Chat. It's very easy to do, and it's also very powerful. So before we get started, just so that you understand what's happening here, basically, you can see I'm in the chat box here, and I've got all of my chat messages here. Ignore these. These are just our test. This is our test environment. But you see this message here. You can see here that for every chat message that's sent or received from a contact, a lead or a contact, you'll notice this little icon here, which is the folder button. And so if I open up that folder button, if I click that link, it will open up the underlying message record that is applicable to that message that's being sent. And you can see here, this record contains all of the information that we need to basically send and receive messages. So you can see the message type is WhatsApp. You can see the content. You can see the direction, the phone number, and all of that information is contained in the record. And if you go to the messaging module here, which gets installed when we install Logix One Chat for Zoho CRM, you'll see here's all your messages. And so basically, therefore, you can just use normal workflow automation tools within Zoho CRM by creating messaging records. And any messaging record that gets created will get sent to the lead or the contact, and will also show up here in the chat box. Okay. So what I'm going to do is demonstrate just how easy it is to use this tool. And what we're going to do is we're going to send the customer a WhatsApp message whenever a quote is created. All right. So to do that, it's quite simple. Just go to your settings inside Zoho CRM. Just go to automation, workflow rules. All right. And then click create new rule. And we're going to, this rule is going to basically work with inside the quotes module. All right. So select quotes from here, give it a name. When quote is created. All right. And you can put that description in here as well. I'll leave that for now. Click next. All right. So, and now you just need to set your rule up. Okay. So when is this workflow rule going to happen? It's going to be on a record action and on create. Okay. So whenever the record gets created, it will trigger. Okay. Now that will only happen once. If you selected create or edit, every time that you, obviously when you create the record, but when you edit it, it will send another message as well. But we'll just leave it for create now. Click next. All right. Now in condition number 1, you can basically select conditions. All right. You can say quotes matching certain conditions. So you can drop the box down here and select any of your either native or custom fields here and basically create conditions for this to flow. All right. So if you've got a field in your quotes module that says, send notifications, you could say, you could select that field and select ticked, and then it would only send messages to those quotes that have that meet that condition. But in this example, we'll just click all quotes, click next. And then here, what we need to do is under instant actions, we need to create a record. And if you remember that every chat message is a messaging record, then what do we need to do? We just need to create a messaging record. So for the module, we click the messaging module. We select the messaging module. We give it a name. All right. The messaging owner is the logged in user. It could be any of your Zoho CRM users. I'm just going to use login users. Currency, you need to select currency. Currency actually in any Zoho CRM module, whether it's native or custom, is mandatory. I'm not sure why. I don't know why they do that. I've asked many times for it to be changed, but I haven't heard back. Anyway, so basically we leave that. Now all we need to do is add more fields. And the first field that we need to select is the phone number. And this is so that the message knows who to send, the workflow knows who to send the message to. So we're going to go select phone number, and then we're going to type hash, and we're going to select the mobile number, all right, because that's how we send WhatsApp messages. and we select the contacts mobile. All right. And then we go and add another field, and we're going to select the message time, and we're going to select WhatsApp. And here we're going to select the direction, and that is going to be outbound. And then we're going to put in the content. All right. And so here you can be really creative, right? So you can say hi, space, hashtag, first name. Thanks for the quote request. We have sent it to the following email address. All right. Then we're going to go hashtag email, contacts email. And then we're going to put in your quote number is, all right, hash quote number. Please do respond here with any questions. All right, thanks. Okay, so it's as simple as that. All right, so we've done that. We've used some merge fields, and we basically create a record. We're going to click save now. All right, now if you wanted to, you could delay sending that message record by selecting the time, the schedule action execute time. So here you could say, okay, send it 10 minutes after the rule is triggered, or you could say 10 minutes, 10 hours, and so on. That's up to you. We're not going to do that for this one. For this example, we're going to leave it as it is. So we're basically done. Let's just click save. All right. There's that rule that's been created. Okay. Let's now go into CRM, or actually we'll go into into the CRM. We'll go to contacts. All right, we're going to select this contact here. Okay, and you can see we've got the email address, we've got all that in, we've got the mobile number. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a new quote, and we're going to say whatever, Wi-Fi install 2. We've already got the account name. All that information should be pre-populated. We're going to put in a couple of items here. Okay, we're going to add another row. All right, and obviously this would make all of your items and your quotes that you send from Zoho CRM. And basically, yeah, we've got everything here. And let's just click save. All right, so there we go. That quote has been created. Now let's have a look in WhatsApp. All right, there it is. Hi, Peter. Thanks for your quote request. You have sent us an email. There's the email. There's the quote ID. Please do respond here if you have any questions. And then if we go back into Logix One chat, you can see here's that message. Okay. So now there's that message that was basically just sent. All right. And if I open up that contact and I go to Logix One chats, you can see here's that message as well that's in there. All right. So you can see it not only in the chat box, but you can also see it inside the contact record itself. All right. And so, yeah, we go back into here, we can see the customer got the message, and then they can respond. All right. And so there we go. We got the notification. And we'll just go back into Logix One chat, and there's that message. Thanks for that. We'll check my email. Okay. So that just shows you how simple it is. You can get really sophisticated with the way that your messages, you're using workflow automation, basically created messaging and automated messages through your whole business process. So yeah, I hope that helps. We're more than ready, willing, and able to assist you in creating any of these workflows. All you really need to do is describe them to us, and we can do it for you. So please don't hesitate to reach out to us. If you'd like a personalized demonstration of any of our Zoho plugins, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at the details below. And yeah, again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.